This video I'm going to show you how to burn FlashForth onto a Pro Micro. You can pick these up from Amazon or anywhere, but I'm using one from SparkFun. And to use this or to burn anything, you have to use a programmer. So that's what you see on the right. You can pick this up off Amazon. I bought this way back in 2018 and I looked it up and they're still selling it. So I'll leave a link below and you can buy one of these to FlashForth. And if you want to use the Pro Micro that I'm using, I've got this one and it's using USB-C. It's from SparkFun. These are really small and I like them for just the small form factor size. Even if you don't put the headers on there, they're extremely compact. So that's what I'm using for this. Then you'll head on over to microchip.com and download the Microchip Studio. After you install and download it, you should see something like this. So it should be ready to go. I've got a color-coded diagram of how to connect the AVR-2 to the Pro Micro. So I've color-coded these wires. So all you have to do is connect the green wire to the green over here. And you got 5 volts and 5 volts over here. So just connect that up. And then after that, you want to connect the AVR-2 to your USB port in your computer. And you also want to do the same over here. And to make it easier, there's a notch at the bottom of the connector. So once you have that in the right position, it's easy to just line these up. And you'll have to download a copy of FlashForth. So you can head on over to flashforth.com and go to the sourceforge.net link that you see here. So just click on that. It'll bring up a page and you can just click download. So once you have the file, you're going to double click on it and you're going to select AVR. There's other microcontrollers you can select. We'll select AVR and then we'll go into hex. And what we're going to select is the 32U4 16 megahertz USB.hex. So I'll just copy that and I'll just go back and paste it into the folder that I was in. So I can just paste it back into the downloads folder. And we'll use this file to FlashForth. So I'm just going to plug in the MK2 and you should see a red LED light up. Then I'll just plug in the Pro Micro. And the green LEDs should both be green, so that means I guess we're good to go. So I'm going to come up to Tools, Device Programming. It'll bring this up, and if you don't see this as an option, the 32U4, you're going to go to Tools, Device Pack Manager, and you're going to hit OK on that prompt. It's going to bring up this screen. And you're going to want to install the package for the 32U or just check for updates and install everything. That's kind of the easy way to do it. So after you do that and update everything, you can go to Tools, Device Programming, and you should see this as an option. So I'm going to click Apply. And we're going to just do a reading. So there we go. So we know we're connected. Next, you're going to go over to fuses. And here's the fuses that I have set. So just copy these fuses. And if you want to read about it, you can read about it here. It says things that you should look out for the 32U4. So that's what I'm doing for this extended fuse, is setting it to F8. And if you're using AVR Dude, you can also use this command line to flash it. So there's that option. And for the next part, we'll come over to memories. And this is where we're going to select that hex file. So I just put it in the downloads folder. And if I move up here, you can kind of see it better. So all I'm going to do is just verify. It's going to check and make sure everything's all right. It says verifying flash OK. So I'm just going to hit program and it should flash the device. So once that's done, you should have FlashForth. Then you're going to unplug everything and replug the USB cable. And you're going to come up to Terra Term, select New Connection, and you're going to select the COM port. It should show up. And you should be connected. So you're going to go up to Setup, and you're going to make sure this is set to 3800. Select New Setting, and type in words. And there you go. So you've got these words, should be set. And that's all I got. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and let me know what you think.